What if I told you that 12 simple days of PTO could actually unlock a massive 43 days of total travel time next year? You don't need a promotion, and you don't need to ask HR for extended leave. You just need to know how to hack the 2027 calendar. Welcome back to Right Recipe for Travel. I'm Cynthia, your host and trusted travel advisor, and today we are executing a masterclass in PTO maxing. Most Americans get around 11 or 12 days of vacation time a year. That's it. And that doesn't feel like much unless you know how to anchor those days around national holidays. So today, I am going to give you the exact blueprint to turn 11 or 12 PTO days, including taking off New Year's Eve on December 31st, into nearly a month and a half of vacation time in 2027. And for every single holiday window, I'm giving you a land-based destination dupe and a specific exact cruise itinerary that you can book right now to match. So grab a pen because your 2027 calendar is about to get booked. Okay, let's start right out of the gate in January. So we're talking about New Year's Day of 2027. It just so happens to fall on a Friday, giving you an automatic 3-day weekend to start off the year. We love that. So here's the hack. You're going to request Thursday, December 31st off as PTO. That's going to be day number 1. Now you've got a 4-day weekend to kick off the new year. So here is your land option. You're going to ring in that new year in like an iconic city like Chicago or New York to watch the ball drop in person. For your cruise match, you're going to hop on the 4-night Bahamas cruise and you're going to get aboard the Carnival Conquest. This departs Miami on Thursday, December 31st of 2026, and then you get to ring in 2027 with a massive deck party in the middle of the ocean. Now, just a few weeks later, Martin Luther King Jr. Day. This gives us a Monday off. That's January 18th. Here's the hack. You're going to take Tuesday, January 19th off. So that's PTO day number 2 for a 4-day weekend. Flying on a Tuesday, well, that's going to help you to avoid all those Sunday, Monday holiday travel crowds and also save you some money on airfare. The land option, you're going to head down to South Florida for like a long weekend in Fort Lauderdale, taking a day trip ferry over to Bimini. Now your cruise match, you're going to sail the 3-night Bahamas cruise aboard Royal Caribbean. We're talking about the Allure of the Seas. This ship departs out of Port Miami on Friday, January 15th, 2027. You'll visit Nassau and Royal Caribbean's award-winning private island, Perfect Day at Coco Cay. Okay, let's move into February. Valentine's Day lands on Sunday, February 14th, and then President's Day, well, that is on Monday, February 15th. That makes a really good setup for our next hack. You're going to take Tuesday, February 16th off as your PTO. That's day number 3 of PTO. You get a 4-day romantic escape for the cost of just 1 PTO day. For your land option, head up to Quebec City, Canada for their world-famous Winter Carnival and stay in the Ice Hotel, a European winter wonderland experience without even crossing the Atlantic. For your cruise match, if you want to warm up instead, jump on the 4-night Bahamas and Celebration Key cruise on the Carnival Elation. This ship will depart out of Jacksonville, Florida on Thursday, February 11th of 2027. You'll sail down to Carnival's brand new private destination, Celebration Key. Now we're going to fast forward. We are actually going to skip March and skip April since there are no federal holidays to leverage during those months. So that's going to bring us straight to May. Now, many of you will have spring break, but we're going to head straight over to May. We're talking about Memorial Day, and that is on Monday, May 31st. So for your hack, you're going to take Tuesday, June 1st off. That's PTO day number 4. You're going to dodge all that Monday night rush, and that means cheaper hotel rates and easier travel back home. For your land option, how about Yoho National Park in Canada? This is an incredible alternative to Banff with half the crowds as summer kicks off. For your cruise match, you Disney fans out there, this is your moment. Book the 3-night Bahamas cruise on the Disney Dream. The ship departs out of Port Canaveral on Friday, May 28th of 2027. You'll visit Nassau and Disney's private island, Castaway Cay, returning on Monday morning with plenty of time to enjoy your extra day off. Next, we're going to talk about Juneteenth. This falls on Friday, June 18th in 2027, creating an automatic long weekend. The hack is you're going to take Monday, June 21st off. That's PTO day number 5 to lock in a 4-day summer trip. For your land option, instead of spending thousands flying to like Ireland or Norway, head up to Newfoundland and Labrador. It's a stunning Canadian dupe with sea cliffs, puffins, and fjords. For our cruise match, you're going to book the 4-night Bahamas cruise aboard the MSC Seashore. This ship departs out of Port Canaveral on Sunday, June 20th of 2027. You'll stop in Nassau and spend an entire day and night at MSC's pristine eco reserve, Ocean Key. The 4th of July, it falls on a Sunday in 2027, meaning the federal holiday is going to be observed on Monday, July 5th. So for your hack, you're going to take Tuesday, July 6th off. PTO day, that's PTO day number 6. That's going to give you a 4-day weekend. Now for your land option, you're going to head to Idaho. I did say it. I said Idaho. I know it sounds unexpected, but southern Idaho is a budget-friendly Iceland dupe. It's filled with natural hot springs, waterfall alley, and volcanic landscapes. For your cruise match, you're going to sail the 3-night weekend cruise aboard Royal Caribbean's Utopia of the Seas. This ship departs out of Port Canaveral on Friday, July 2nd of 2027. It's the ultimate 4th of July party at sea. Next up, Labor Day. It falls on Monday, September 6th. The hack, you're going to take September 7th, which is Tuesday, off. That's PTO day number 7. The land option here, take the express ferry from Los Angeles out to Catalina Island, California. It feels like stepping onto the Amalfi Coast of Italy. No passports required. For your cruise match, jump on the 3-night Baja Mexico cruise aboard Royal Caribbean's Navigator of the Seas. This ship will depart from Los Angeles or San Pedro on Friday, September 3rd of 2027. You will head straight to Ensenada and Catalina Island. In October, we get a 3-day weekend for Indigenous Peoples Day. That happens on Monday, October 11th. So for your hack, you're going to take Tuesday, October 12th off. That's PTO day number 8 for a 4-day autumn getaway. For your land option, you're headed up north to Buffalo and Niagara Falls, New York. October is peak fall foliage in upstate New York. You get the thunderous power of Niagara Falls without the crazy summer crowds. You also will have world-class wings in Buffalo and gorgeous, crisp weather. For your cruise match, you can take a fun little Halloween-themed sailing, booking the 4-night Western Caribbean cruise on the Carnival Breeze. This departs out of Galveston, Texas on Thursday, October 7th of 2027. In November, we have Veterans Day, and that falls on Thursday, November 11th. The hack, take Friday, November 12th off. That's going to be PTO Day number 9, and that's going to give you a 4-day weekend. For the land option, you're going to take the Vile Rail Train up to Churchill, Manitoba, to see the Northern Lights from a panoramic glass-domed car. For Thanksgiving on Thursday, November 25th. The hack here is take Friday, November 26th off. Now that's PTO Day number 10. This is going to give you a 4-day holiday block. The land option, skip that traditional turkey and do a foodie long weekend like in New Orleans for gumbo and jazz. For your cruise match, board the 4-night Western Caribbean cruise on the Carnival Valor, departing out of New Orleans on Thursday, November 25th of 2027. You get a chef-prepared Thanksgiving feast on board and 0 dishes to clean up afterwards. Christmas Day 2027, well, that falls on a Saturday, which means Christmas Eve will be Friday, December 24th. That's probably going to be the observed holiday. Now, some of you might already have the 24th off. That just means it's even better. So our hack for now is use your final 2 PTO days, PTO Day 11 and or 12. So on Thursday, December 23rd, and then on Monday, December 27th. Now you have this massive 5 or 6 day Christmas vacation. For your land option, you're going to get a cozy cabin getaway in like Leavenworth, Washington. This is like a Bavarian style village that goes all out with millions of Christmas lights. For your cruise match, you're going to sail the 4-night, very maritime Bahamas cruise on the Disney Wish. This departs out of Port Canaveral, Florida on Thursday, December 23rd of 2027. Waking up on Christmas morning at sea with Disney characters all around, that's going to be magical and unforgettable. Now, of course, there might be some slight variation because different companies, different areas of the US, you might have these different holidays. So you might need to mix and match just a little bit. Some of you might have a lot more holidays available to you that you will be off, and others might have a lot less. But this is going to be using that standard 11 or 12 days that the majority, and I had to look it up, of us Americans get for the year. So of course, if you have questions or you want to find some other options or ideas, all you have to do is check down in the description below. I'll have my link for all of my information. There you have it. By strategically combining 11 or 12 days of PTO, including that December 31st, with all of the national holidays, you get 43 full days of travel across 2027. I want to know, are you taking the fall trip to Niagara Falls? Or are you joining me on a Disney holiday cruise? I want to hear from you. Drop your favorite pick in the comments below. If you want to pull off any of these exact itineraries without any of the headache of planning it yourself, just go ahead and click the link in my description. And as your professional travel advisor, my team and I can get any of these or others that you might choose locked in for you today. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, make sure you turn on those notifications and boost the video, all free. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep planning, and we'll catch you at the next adventure.